Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome to your ultimate travel guide. Are you dreaming of year-round sunshine, diverse landscapes ranging from golden beaches to volcanic peaks, and an incredible mix of culture and adventure? Then pack your bags, because today we're whisking you away to the Canary Islands, Spain's enchanting archipelago in the Atlantic. This isn't just one destination, it's a collection of unique islands, each with its own distinct charm. Get ready to discover why the Canaries are the perfect escape for every type of traveler. 1. Tenerife, the island of eternal spring and Mount Teide. Our journey begins with Tenerife, the largest of the Canary Islands, known as the Island of Eternal Spring. Imagine basking on its diverse beaches, from the golden sands of Las Teresitas near Santa Cruz to the volcanic black sands of El Medano. Picture yourself ascending to the majestic Mount Teide, Spain's highest peak, a dormant volcano set within a breathtaking national park that feels like a lunar landscape. You can hike its trails, take a cable car to near the summit, and witness incredible stargazing opportunities at night. Think of vibrant nightlife in Playa de las Americas, charming old towns like La Orotava, and family-friendly attractions like Siam Park, a world-class water kingdom. Tenerife truly offers an incredible range of experiences. 2. Gran Canaria, a continent in miniature. Next, we explore Gran Canaria, often called a continent in miniature, due to its incredible variety of landscapes. Imagine the iconic Maspalomas dunes, a vast desert landscape right next to the ocean, perfect for stunning photos and unique walks. Picture yourself relaxing on the lively Playa del Ingles or the more family-friendly Amadores Beach. Head north to the charming capital, Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, where you can explore the historic Vegeta Quarter and enjoy urban beach life at Las Canteras. Think of the rugged, green interior with picturesque villages like Terror and Artenara, offering fantastic hiking and cycling routes through dramatic volcanic scenery. Gran Canaria packs an astonishing amount of diversity into one island. 3. Fuerteventura, the windsurfer's paradise and endless beaches. For those who crave vast, unspoiled beaches and incredible water sports, Fuerteventura is your dream destination. Imagine miles upon miles of pristine, golden sands and turquoise waters stretching as far as the eye can see. Picture yourself trying windsurfing or kitesurfing in places like Sotavento Beach, a world-renowned spot for these thrilling activities. The island's consistent winds make it a paradise for active travelers. Think of the laid-back vibe, the delicious fresh seafood, and the dramatic volcanic landscapes in the interior. Fuerteventura is perfect for beach lovers, water sports enthusiasts, and anyone looking for a truly relaxing escape. 4. Lanzarote, the volcanic wonderland. Prepare to be amazed by the otherworldly landscapes of Lanzarote, an island shaped by volcanic activity. Imagine driving through Teide National Park, where the mountains of fire offer a surreal experience, with geysers erupting from the earth and demonstrations of volcanic heat. Picture the unique architecture of Cesar Manrique, whose art and designs are integrated seamlessly into the natural environment across the island, from Llanos del Agua to the Mirador del Rio. Think of the black sand beaches, the green vineyards growing in volcanic ash, Liguria, and the charming white villages. Lanzarote is a true spectacle of nature and human creativity. 5. Hidden gems and unique experiences, beyond the main four. While Tenerife, Gran Canaria, Fuerteventura, and Lanzarote are the most popular, the smaller islands offer unique charms. La Palma, the beautiful island, known for its lush forests, dramatic volcanic landscapes, and incredible stargazing opportunities from the Roque de los Muchachos Observatory. La Gomera, a hiker's paradise with the ancient Guarajane National Park, UNESCO World Heritage Site, and traditional whistling language. El Hierro, the smallest and most tranquil, perfect for sustainable tourism, diving, and experiencing untouched nature. Food and wine. Across all islands, imagine savoring fresh seafood, papas arrogadas con mojo, wrinkled potatoes with sauce, and local cheeses. Picture trying the unique Canary Island wines, especially those from volcanic soils. Conclusion. The Canary Islands offer an unparalleled vacation experience for every traveler. Whether you seek vibrant nightlife and theme parks, tranquil beaches and stunning natural parks, thrilling water sports, or unique volcanic landscapes, there's an island waiting to be explored. With their eternal sunshine, diverse attractions, and welcoming atmosphere, the Canaries truly are your ultimate Atlantic escape. Start planning your island-hopping adventure with Expedia today. Outro. Which Canary Island is calling your name? Or if you've visited, which was your favorite and why? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow travelers, and subscribe to the Expedia channel for more amazing travel guides. Thanks for watching and disfruta tu viaje.